Welcome to Rise and Shine Daily Business Tech Boost with me, Charly Latham. If you're a small business owner looking to simplify technology and get real, actionable advice from someone with 35 years of IT experience, you're in the right place. Every episode, I'll dive into tools and systems like email, CRM, marketing and tracking, and break them down into bite-sized tips you can use right away. Your time is valuable, so let's get straight to the point. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Rise and shine. It's your daily dose of business tech inspiration with me, Charly Latham. Episode number 451, and we're diving back into WordPress. There's a lot of things in WordPress. I am trying to go through things that I consider to be the basics for people who want to use WordPress, don't want to be designing in it, don't necessarily want to be designing in it, don't necessarily want to be developing for it. You've got a site, you're already running it. I just want to try and give you the things that I've tripped over and I've helped clients find over time. So today we're going to be talking about finding the link for an image. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, sometimes you just want to be able to put an image into a page and not use the insert image, which I really recommend you don't do. You should really use the insert image, in the block editor or in your page builder that you're using, because it references it back to the library. That said, you might want to just put the link to, paste the link into a post or a page. It might not just be an image, it might be an attachment you've got. It might be a PDF that you've got that you want to share with someone. It might be that you want to use that image somewhere else on the internet and link back to it. So what I'm going to do is show you how to find that URL, find the link to the image or the attachment that you have in your media library so that you can use it. So without further ado, I say that all the time, let's jump into it. This is my demonstration site. It should be familiar to everyone who's been following along with the podcast for the last few weeks. I do keep changing it up as we do these demonstrations. I will remove things and add things and change things around so that we get a good demonstration without anything else tripping us up. Like, oh no, that's part of that part, just trying to keep it as vanilla as possible. To find a link for an attachment in your media library, you need to go to the media library. So you do need to log into your WP admin dashboard. And once you've logged in, you need to go to your media library. Click on that. Get rid of all the notices. And this is our media library. And you can see I've got images in here, but let's assume that one of these images is a PDF. Let's assume that this one here is actually a PDF. We want to share this PDF with someone. The way to get the link, and it doesn't change. It doesn't change whether it's a PDF, whether it's an image, whether it's a Word document or a spreadsheet or something else that you want to share out of this library. The process is exactly the same. You click on the item that you want to share and you bring up the edit screen or the information screen. And then you'll notice that right down here, we have a file URL option. And if I go right to the end of it, just highlight it all. There we go. You'll see that it's got the entire URL in there. Let me see if I can just sort of scroll through it a bit. I'll put my cursor there. There we go. So you've got the link to the site. You've got the upload. Oh, goodness. There we go. The uploads folder, the year, the month, and then the file name. Now, to get this URL, you used to, a very long time ago, have to highlight the entire thing and say copy, right-click and copy to get it out. But now you see you've got this button here that says copy URL to clipboard. Just copy that. Just bring that up. Now, if I just bring up a sticky note, and paste that in, you will see that we've got the whole URL there. I can use that and I can put it into an email. I can, if I want to link this to a blog post that I'm writing somewhere else and use my own images, I can link it there. Just make sure that you're allowing your images to be shared out across the internet. I might cover that off later in terms of server security and leech protection, but we'll cover that later. And now you've got the whole URL. You can do whatever you want with it. That is how you get the URL for an attachment. It's pretty straightforward. As long as you follow those little that process, you'll be able to get that and use it however you want. Well, mostly however you want. Okay. Short and sweet today. I hope that was helpful. It is something that I have found useful, particularly when I'm talking about other attachments like PDFs, and I need to put a link to a PDF into an email, or we're doing our email marketing, and we've got our freebie, and we've got our lead magnet offer, and we need to create the email within our email marketing program, MailChimp or MailerLite or Zoho campaigns. And then we need to put the link in and say, this is where you can go and get your free download. This is where you can download this information. That's how you get the URL to do that. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please give the video a like. If you've got any questions or comments, I would love to see them. Leave them wherever you're watching or listening to this video. You can also come across to my locals community, askcharlylatham.locals.com, and join the conversation there. Apart from that, guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you find out when I drop more content. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye. Hey there, thanks so much for tuning in to Rise and Shine, your daily business tech boost. I hope today's episode gave you some actionable insights that will make your business tech work smarter for you. If you found value, be sure to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with other small business owners who could use a daily boost. For more tips, tools, and resources, visit www.askcharlylatham.com. Until next time, keep rising, keep shining, and let's make tech simple together.